Yeah, so guys, very good evening of you. This video we are going to solve this question. Okay, this is a very interesting question and the difficulty level is medium. Okay, so what is the question? Let's understand. You are given an number n representing the number of stairs in a staircase. You are standing at the top of the floor. In one step, you can jump one stair, two stair, or three stair. Again, in one step, you can either jump one stair or two stairs or three stairs. All right. So we have to return the list of all the paths that can be used to climb up the staircase. See the examples for more clarity regarding output. Okay, and we have to write the solution recursively. We have to write an recursive solution for this problem. Okay, not like iterative or any other solution. Okay, suppose the input is 3, so the number of possible paths that we can have is 1 1 1 1 2 2 1 and 3. Okay, so let's uh, try to visualize a problem a bit. Okay, so it's saying if n is equals to 3, the possible values or we can say the paths are 1 1 1 or 1 2 or 2 1 or 3, right? So what does it mean? First of all, how this array is uh, happening, what's happening in this array? Okay, so like we have 3 stairs. Assume we have 3 stairs because n is equals to 3. 1 2 and 3. Okay, and you are standing at the top of the staircase. Okay, now it is given that you can either jump one step or two step or three step. Okay, so if we go like this, we will jump one stair. Okay, we are at 2 and again we will jump. Okay, so we are, first of all we will jump on this now. Okay, so 1 2 and 3, we are moving one step at a time. So this is what is represented in the array 1 1 1, meaning we are going one step each time. Okay, now if we go like this, we go one step and from here we jump to directly 3. So here we are going one step and then jumping 2 steps. Okay, so that's what it is represented here as 1 2. Okay, similarly, if we jump uh, 2 steps at start and then go one step, then also it's a possible way to uh, move to the end of the staircase. All right, and we can move at most 3 steps at a time, right? So we can also directly jump to this staircase. Okay, so in that case the path will be 3. Okay, so I hope you got the idea of these numbers what they are representing here. So we have to write a recursive solution for this, right? Okay, so what we can do is just visualize the problem, like what are the possible ways in which we can move. At first we have 3 as input and the path is empty, right? After this we have 3 possible ways in which we can move. We can either go one step or 2 step or 3 step, right? If we go one step, so the value of n, not string, but this is number. So the value of n will decrease and in the path 1 will be added, right or wrong? Yes. Next, if we are here moving 2 steps at a time, right? So 3 minus 2 will be 1 and in the path 2 will be added. Similarly, if we go 3 steps, the value will become 0 and the path will become 3, right? Again here we have 2 possibilities. We can either go one step or we can go 2 steps. We cannot go 3 steps here because n is less than 3. It should be at most 3 so that we can move 3 steps at a time. It is 2 steps, so either we can go one step at a time or 2 steps at a time. Okay, so if we go one step at a time, it will become, the path will become 1 1 and the value will updated to 1. If we go 2 steps, so the path will become 1 2 and it will become 0. We cannot move it further because it has become 0, but here it can go one more level and it will become 0 and the path will be 1 1 1. right? And uh, this is solved, this is solved, we cannot go further, this is solved, right? We are left with this, so we can go one step at a time, because all we have left is only one, so we can go one step at a time only. Will become 0 and the value will be updated to 2 and 1. So if you see, uh 1 1 1 1 2 2 1 and 3, we have got all the possible paths of moving the staircase, right? So how we are gonna write the solution for this? Let me just walk through the solution, basic. Okay, so what we will do, we will have an suppose this is the function get pair paths, have n, we are taking string as of now, and array list of string type for storing the possible paths, right? So we were saying if n becomes 0, then we will add. If n is equals to 0, we will ands dot add what? This string as of now. We will return, right? Uh, Other than this, we will move one step. We are moving one step. We will check, not check. We can directly move. We can say get pair paths. Okay, so if we are moving one step at a time, you can see we were decrementing n by 1, so we can do n minus 1, and in the string we were adding 1 because we have moved one step, right? And the answer will, this is for moving one step, right? If we are moving two step, we need to check if n is greater than 1 or not. If it is, then we will move, otherwise not. Okay, so get pair paths n minus 2, because we are moving two steps at a time, and we will add to the string as well, right? And if last, if we are moving three steps, we will do, if we will check if n is greater than 2, then only we will move three steps, right? So we will decrement by 3, add 3 in the string, and pass the answer. This is the solution. So let's implement this solution quickly. So here we are not given an, so what we'll do, we will create an helper function. Okay, before that, array list, store the result. It new array list, right? Now what we will do, make a call to the helper function with the string and the array. And once the call is returned, we can return the first we got the strings of path, the ants. Let's go. But we will check if n is equals to 0, then we what we can do, we can add and dot add as for now return, right. Other than this, we will move one step. So we will say helper, we will decrement n by 1, and as of now we will 1. Yes, if we will move 2 steps, similarly decrement 2, add 2, right. We move 3 steps, we will decrement by 3 and add. We will also check if it is greater than 1, so then 1, then only we will execute. Here also we will check if it is greater than, then only we will execute. It's so let's try to run this. Return type, right. Yeah, the possible ways we are coding. Let's submit this. This it successfully. Yes, so I hope you got the idea of the problem, how we are solving the help diagram. Most have 3 ways in which we, as we are given the problem, either we steps or so we are going like that, decrementing the value of n by the number of steps we are actually moving, and we are also adding the number of steps we are moved at any point of time, the string as of now, right. And when n becomes 0, we add it in the array list. When n becomes 0, we add it in the array list. Yeah. That's it for you guys. Thank you so much.